In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use brands in Adobe Express. If you create content often and want everything to look consistent, brands in Adobe Express are your best friend. They gather your logos, colors, and type choices in one place so you can apply them to designs with confidence and speed. Start by heading to the Express dashboard. This is your home base, where all your projects and assets live. Once you're there, look to the left side of the screen. Under the section labeled Your Stuff, click on Brands. This is where you'll manage all your brand kits and create new ones. To create a new brand, choose Create Brand. You'll be asked to give it a name. Pick something clear and recognizable, especially if you manage multiple clients or teams. A clean, descriptive name makes it easy to find the right kit later. At this point, you have two ways to set things up. You can build the brand manually, or you can extract brand elements from an upload. If you prefer manual control, add your core pieces one by one. Upload a primary logo and any alternates, such as an icon-only mark or a monochrome version. Set your brand colors by entering exact values so they're perfectly consistent across designs. Then choose your typefaces and define how you plan to use them, like one for headings and one for body text. Having your color codes and font names ready ahead of time helps this go quickly and keeps everything accurate. If you want a faster start, try extracting your brand from an upload. Choose a file that already represents your look, perhaps a flyer, a social post, or a presentation. Adobe Express will analyze the file and pull out colors, potential font matches, and any recognizable graphics. The cleaner and more representative the file, the better the results. After extraction, review what Express found. Tweak the color swatches, swap any mismatched fonts, and replace low-resolution logos with high-quality versions so your designs stay sharp. Once your brand is saved, it's ready to use across your projects. The next time you start a design, your brand assets will be right there, making it simple to stay on brand without hunting for files. You can return to brands anytime to refine your kit as your visual identity evolves. That's it. By setting up a brand in Adobe Express, you make consistent, polished design the default rather than the exception. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with confidence.